and welcome to Live Nourished Today. As the crisp autumn air settles in, we're preparing for a Thanksgiving feast filled with warmth, flavor, and history. Today, we're going to dive into the foods that have become staples on our Thanksgiving tables, along with a bit of history behind each dish. Plus, we've got some fun trivia questions for you to answer along the way. But first, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more. Let's start with the centerpiece of most Thanksgiving tables, turkey. Did you know that the Pilgrims at the first Thanksgiving didn't actually have turkey? They likely had ducks, geese, and even venison. Turkey became a popular choice in the 19th century because of its size, making it perfect for feeding a large group. Next up, mashed potatoes. This creamy dish became a Thanksgiving favorite in the 18th century. Potatoes, originally from the Andes, were introduced to Europe in the 1500s and quickly became a staple in American kitchens. Cranberry sauce is another Thanksgiving classic. Native Americans were the first to use cranberries, both as food and for medicinal purposes. The Pilgrims likely had cranberries, though they didn't sweeten them as we do today. Pumpkin pie is a beloved Thanksgiving dessert, but the Pilgrims didn't have sugar or ovens to make pie the way we do today. Instead, they may have roasted pumpkin and used it as a savory dish or in a porridge. Now, stuffing or dressing has a rich history. It dates back to Roman times when they would stuff meat with grains and vegetables. Over time, stuffing evolved into the bread-based dish we know today. Sweet potatoes have been grown in America for over 5,000 years. Native Americans taught the early settlers how to cultivate them, and they became a staple in many fall feasts. Cornbread has its roots in Native American cuisine. Corn was a key crop for indigenous people, and cornbread became a staple food after European settlers began using corn in various dishes. Green bean casserole is a more modern Thanksgiving tradition created in 1955 by the Campbell Soup Company as a quick and easy dish to make with canned ingredients. Apple cider has been enjoyed since colonial times when apples were a popular crop. It's a fall favorite that has been part of harvest traditions for generations. Pecan pie is another southern favorite, made with a sweet filling of corn syrup, butter, sugar, and pecans. It became popular in the South during the 19th century. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Are you ready to play some Thanksgiving trivia? Well, let's jump right in. What's the most iconic dish served at Thanksgiving dinner? A. Turkey or B. Lasagna? The correct answer is A. Turkey. What bird was likely served at the first Thanksgiving feast? A. Turkey or B. Duck? The answer is B. Duck. What was the original purpose of cranberries for Native Americans? A. A food source or B. A dye for clothes? A food source. Cranberries were used for food and they also had medicinal properties. What ingredient was likely missing from early pumpkin pie recipes? A. Sugar or B. Pumpkin? A. Sugar. The Pilgrims didn't have sugar for their pumpkin dishes. When did stuffing or dressing first appear? A. Ancient Rome or B. The 7th century in America? A. Ancient Rome. Romans were the first to use grains and herbs to stuff meat. What vegetable was introduced to early settlers by Native Americans? A. Sweet potatoes or B. Carrots? Sweet potatoes. Native Americans taught the Pilgrims how to grow them. What ingredient was used in cornbread recipes long before Europeans arrived in the Americas? A. Corn or B. Wheat? Corn. Native Americans introduced corn to early settlers and it became a major ingredient in cornbread. When was the green bean casserole invented? A. 1955 or B. The 1800s? A. 1955. It was created by Campbell's Soup Company. What is apple cider made from? A. Apple juice or B. Fermented apples? C. Fermented apples. Apple cider is made by fermenting apples. Which nut is the main ingredient in pecan pie? A. Almonds or B. Pecans? B. Pecans. They are the key ingredient in this sweet southern pie. Thank you for joining us on this Thanksgiving journey through food history. We hope you've learned something new and that you enjoy your feast today. Don't forget to subscribe for more nourishing content and happy Thanksgiving!